Something's wrong. What should we do now? It's very dangerous ahead. Come on, let's go. Run, run. What the heck is going on? Hello, I need your help. Okay, we'll get there immediately. He needs help. Come on, let's go. Hurry up, hurry up. Hey, wait for me. Hello. Alright. Don't worry, I'm here. Be careful. Okay, done. Follow me. Very good. Let's get down to work. Oh no! It's very dangerous ahead. Leave it to me. Wow, great! We have to finish the job with him today. Wonderful! We made it! We made it! Hooray! Thanks for helping me, guys. Thank you for trusting me. If you need help, give me a call. Go, go, go!